go. You already know it is. It's your boy DB live in the building, and we're gonna make this video quick and sweet, and hopefully you learn a lot. So the question I've been getting is, Telegram a scam? And let me express something to you. I've been scammed for over probably $10,000 to $20,000 on Telegram, and I've learned a lot of lessons. Here's how I'll put it: wherever there is money, there is scammers. So yes, you can go into these Telegram groups that talk about growing and building your subscribers and be scammed by someone. And let me express how you can minimize 100% of that possibility, not 100%, more like 90% of the possibility of being scammed. And that is, don't just take it for their word. A lot of these groups you went in, we started spending thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars per week when it comes down to growing a full Onlyfans account for our creators and stuff like that. I've lost a lot of money. The reason why I lost a lot of money is because I took people at their word. Like, oh, look at this many subscribers, it's this purchase, and you purchase it. That is on you. Okay, just like it was on me and how I had to learn so many things in this business of why people think it's a scam, why it's not a scam. You gotta ask the right questions. First of all, I'm gonna break down some of the questions we ask when we buy in these Telegram groups and how we actually make money. So there's a few different things. First of all, you have to understand what the scammers are. One scammer is a person who doesn't really even have a loyal following, but just keeps having people buy their position of, oh, I have 20,000 fans, so buy it for this much, and I purchase it, and they put it. And the first question we ask is, how many times do you promote models per day? Show me. Can I get a free subscription? Why do we do that? Because why would you want to promote yourself on a page where 5 or 10 other models have also paid to be on that page? Whether it's 20,000, 30,000, 100,000, it doesn't matter. It's a saturated market, and if it's saturated, it seems like you're being scammed. But in reality, the person is giving you what you asked for. Second, realizing that the numbers aren't what they say they are. Okay, so what we've seen is people are willing to hide the numbers and basically, Photoshop it and put numbers that aren't there. So what do? We ask for a video of their page, because you can't fake it in a video. Scroll up, scroll down, you're gonna have to be a real good editor for that. So it takes away that elimination of them being like, look at how many subscribers I have. I'm like, yo, send me a video to do it. I'll pay for it ASAP at 10. If they don't, we just move on. If people do not hit these marks, we just move on, okay? The third scammer is somebody who doesn't have a huge, like buying a DM or buying a mass DM, and they don't have a huge open rate. So in reality, if they have 20,000 subscribers, but only 300 open them up, you're really paying for a DM to 300 people, not a DM to 20,000 people. So you really have to pay attention to that. I ask, what is your DM open rate? Take a picture of that, send it to us from all your last DMs. Because if that doesn't make sense, we're not going to purchase from you. So, and here's the 3-minute video, but in the hindsight of what I'm trying to say, you can be scammed, but you have to know what you're purchasing, because everybody's not scamming you. They're giving what you think you're paying for, but you're not asking the right questions to get the best immediate buy. You already know it is. It's your boy DB live in the building. Go to onlyfanstraining.com to get the best course you can for free and absolutely learn to work with us directly, or get one of our courses so you can really learn how to perform in this industry better. I'm telling you, there's a lot to learn. We've been in it for over 2 years, and the person who really knows the most has only been there for 3 years, and there's people making millions of dollars. In 2021, I expect to become a millionaire in this position. And what do I have to do? I have to continuously educate you guys. So always find my OnlyFans training, or keep watching my videos. Make sure you're always taking notes. Subscribe down below. It's your boy, Marketing with Dom. Till the next time, I'll see you later.